The owner of Sresan Pharmaceuticals, the maker of cold reef cough syrup, Ranganathan, has been arrested after 21 children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan died after consuming the syrup. According to police reports, the owner was arrested in Chennai last night, shortly after being detained for questioning by the Madhya Pradesh police. During the probe, the Tamil Nadu Drugs Control Department reported unhygienic conditions under which the cough syrup was manufactured at the company's Kanchipuram facility. Among the 350 violations flagged by the state regulatory body were rusted equipment and the illegal use of non-pharma grade chemicals. In its 26-page report, the Tamil Nadu regulatory body also discovered industrial liquid constituents of up to 48%, even though the permissible limit was only 0.1%. Moreover, the company continued producing cough syrup despite lacking good manufacturing practices (GMP) certification.